Yeah, sure, Manoj.
Yeah, yeah. So record has been started. Yeah. So what we discussed in the last 2 days, not last 2 days. So it's completely this week. We have discussed on table backup, database backup, right? And also, how to restore the table and how to restore the database and how to take the complete instance level backup, right? And how to restore and what are all the formats is there during the backup, right? And also, we have worked on continuous archive, correct? And as well as file system level backup, PG based backup. Okay. And also yesterday, what we done, how to restore the things from archive. Okay. So these are all the things we have discussed in the backup and recovery part. Correct? So the only one thing is pending now, point in time recovery. Okay. How we need to set up the point in time recovery. Today we'll discuss. Okay. And once this point in time recovery is done, right, we'll go for replication. Okay. So today I'm going to explain point in time recovery. First, I will go with paint. So I'm going to give the clarity what we are going to work around on the practical. Okay. First, we'll discuss on paint. Okay. So then we'll go for practical. Okay, guys. Yeah. See ya. So now, uh, you know, I'm going to create one production server. Okay. This is the production server.
Manoj, can you share your screen?
I did not share my screen.
It's
Okay, I
visible.
will share. I will share again. Yes, yes, I will share again. Yeah, yeah. I think I hope my screen is visible right now, guys.
Now it's not visible. Earlier it was visible.
Is it
Also not visible.
now, guys? Now?
Good, clear. It's clear now.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, see here, guys. So today, what we are going to do, we are going to do point in time recovery. Okay, so we are going to work on point in time recovery. Okay. So see here. So this is the production server. So in this production server, okay, all the archive is enabled, archive mode on, okay, and also archive command also. So this is also configured. So percentage p slash tab02 archive slash percentage percentage f. Okay, archive command also configured. Okay, and also, wall keep size. So this is also very important. Why guys? Wall keep size is we need to enable during the archive log mode is enabled. Why we need to configure this parameter? Anybody, can you please explain why we need a wall keep size, guys? Why we need
Free
wall keep?
PG underscore one
Mm-hmm.
to remove the details from PG underscore wall.
Yeah, see here, exactly. But this is we are going to call it as retention. Okay. So whenever we are going to mention the wall keep size is equal to 100 MB, at the time, once the successfully copy the transaction files to archive, right? Okay. Once the 100 MB is successfully copied to the archive, those 100 MB is going to remove from the PG underscore wall. Okay. This is completely a, retention. How much retention we need to put into the PG wall. Okay, wall keep size. This is very important, guys, when we are going to configure at that time. Okay, so now see here, archive mode is enabled, archive command is equal to, this is also enabled, wall keep size. Okay, the next thing is, whatever the things, the transaction will going to happen on the production. Okay, all the things will going to copy to the PG wall, PG underscore wall. Okay, if the example, just a moment, guys, one moment. Sorry, guys. See here, each and every transaction will going to copy to the PG, so the PG wall. Okay, example, see here. So if the table one we are going to create, right? So this, the complete select star from PG underscore class. Okay, if one transaction is we are going to do in the production, right? This transactions will comes to PG wall as well. Okay, it will going to create 16 MB file. Okay, this is one transaction file. If you are going to create one more table, right? Okay, so that will also comes to 16 MB file. And also, so whenever we are going to enable the archive at the time, those transaction also it will going to copy to the archive as well. So see here, whenever we are going to enable the production, archive mode in production, right? Those transactions will comes to archive. Okay, 16 MB file, 16 MB transaction. Okay, each and every transaction it will going to copy to the archive as well. Okay, each and every transaction will going to copy to the archive. Yeah, now the next thing is here, as of now, here there are two tables is there. First of all, I will do the flow. So year to year. Okay, so here there are two tables is there. Okay, we have created two tables and inserted some data as well. Okay, so now, so if I'm going to take the PG based backup, right? At the time, okay, all the things will comes to year. Means the two tables will comes to year. T1, T2. Okay, so this table will going to it will going to comes to year. Okay, example now. So after going to take the PG base backup, okay, this is the PG base backup. I will specify here PG base backup. See here, after taken the PG base backup, okay, again I'm going to create table T3. Okay, and also again what I'm going to do, I drop the table T2. Okay, now again I'm going to create T4. Okay, see here, somebody is going to drop this table by mistakenly. Okay, I want to recover T2 table. Okay, how we need to recover? Okay, so So during the creation of the T2 table, right? Okay, at the point of time we need to provide to recover this T2 table. Okay, so we need to provide the T2 table creation point of time we need to provide. To recovery this T2 table, right? We need to provide this timings. Okay, so how to recover, So example, treat like this is a dev, okay? So, only in PG based backup, okay, as of now, T1 and T2 is there. Okay, one moment. Here I confused you. Okay, see here, guys. Here, example, like a T2 table is I dropped. Okay, so how to recover this T2 table, using the particular point of time. Okay, I need to mention and I need to recover from the archive. Okay, here from I need to recover the T2 table. Okay, guys, you got it or not? Guys?
Little confusion.
Okay, see here. Okay, so one moment. We'll open the notepad. See a less simple thing here. Yeah, see here, guys. Here, there are three directories is there. Okay, one is for production, one is for this is the backup purpose, and this is the archive directory. Okay, we initialize the uh, production server, and we are going to configure archive command and wall keep segment. What we discussed in the diagram. Okay, same thing we are configured here. Once I configured in the production server, see here guys, in the production server, okay, I'm going to create three tables here. Backup 1, backup 2, backup 3. Okay, so after create these three tables, listen carefully guys now. After this creation of these three tables, I'm going to take, okay, I'm going to take the backup. Okay, once I take the backup, in this backup, how many tables is there as of now? Three, right? Okay, so once we taken the backup, there are three tables is there. Okay, now the backup part, you can leave it. Okay, again, what I'm going to do, in the production server, okay, I'm going to create one table here. Okay, and also again, I'm going to create second table. And also, again, I'm going to create third table and also see here. Now I dropped second table, PITR2 table I dropped. Okay, again, I created one more table. But now the thing is, I need to recover the second table. Okay, I need to recover the second table because see here, I dropped after taken the PG base backup, we have created three more tables and we have dropped one table called PITR2. Now is, somebody is going to ask, I need to recover the table in production server. Okay, how we need to do, how we need to recover using this creation time, point in time. Okay, we need to recover this PITR2 table. Okay, so using this point in time, okay, we need to,
Yes, Manoj.
Yes,
So
Srinivas.
this scenario is called a point in time recovery. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. This scenario is called point in time recovery.
Okay.
Exactly. This scenario is a point. See, where exactly we need to recover. At what point of time we need to recover. Okay, we need to provide the point of timings. Okay.
Got it.
So whenever we are going to provide the timings, right? Okay, that particular thing we are going to call it as point in time recovery. Got it, Srinivas? Yeah. See here?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. So see here.
Yeah.
So now here I dropped, but so somebody is going to ask. So please restore this table. Our team drop this table. Okay. So they are going to give the timings and all right. Based on that, so we can recover the particular table.
No, I have doubt here. So
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
timestamp what you're showing here, right? So
Mm-hmm.
anyhow, you have dropped the table.
Mm-hmm.
Someone has dropped the table. How will you
Mm-hmm.
get that timestamp?
I
Current
will show you.
timestamp?
I will show you. I will show you. See
Okay,
here.
that's
So
fine.
there is a log management, right? What to log, where to log, when to log. Did you remember this one? So we discussed on this. Okay. In that
Okay.
one, we need to configure. At that time, we can easily find out when it was created, when it was dropped. Okay. We can easily find out that. Okay. See, we'll go for that way only. Okay. So in log management only, we'll go. Okay. So we will not go for this way. So here, once I created the table, I taken the timestamp and all. But we'll go for real time scenario, exact real time scenario. Okay. Now you got it right, guys. What is the scenario? Exact scenario. Now Vishnu,
Yeah. Yes.
Vishwa, Naveen, Adan, Divakar, Ram Prasad,
Yes,
Pradeep. Yeah, Pradeep. Yeah. Okay. So let's go for practical now. It's a very, very important, guys. Yesterday is also very important. Okay. So this one also important. Red Hat. Yeah. Here. Okay. I will create three directories. Okay. Already exist. I will create a one mkdir. Okay. PATR BKP1 mkdir PITR ERC1. So one is for production server build, one is for to taking the backup, and one is for archive. Okay, guys. Now I will build. I will build the first one. So here, what are all the things we need to do, guys? It's a very important
Port
thing.
number.
Port number I will make as that's 3661. What is the next thing?
archaeolog.
Yeah, archive mode. So we need to enable and archive command.
Path.
So CP. So percentage P means path slash app01. So PITR ARC1, the archive path is correct. Percentage F. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the archive command. And one more thing we forgot. Wall
Wall
keep
class. Keep size.
size. Sorry, wall keep size. So the wall keep size, I'm going to specify 100. Okay. So now what is the another configuration parameters?
Restore command.
No. Now not restore command. The
Um,
restore
um,
command, when we are going to do the point in time at the time, that is for completely in another where we are taken the backup, right? Okay. So yeah, we need to go for that particular one. Yeah.
okay.
So now one more thing. Yeah, one more thing we need to specify. If we are going to identify the particular timings, right? Creation time, drop timings. Okay. How we need to set that one? Anybody have any idea? Guys, we done this task actually in previous class, log management. Guys, do you know? We have done log management at the time. Okay. What to log, where to log? Did you guys remember? Here log PostgreSQL. Okay. And also here to specify log minimum duration. We'll specify like 2000. 2000 means 2 seconds, milliseconds, 2000 milliseconds. This is the one. So the next is what to log. Here, what are the things I need to specify, you know? This is very important, guys. This is also very, very important. Log connection, each and every connection information it will going to write. Because I don't want to go with the current timestamp. So that's why I'm enabling these things. Okay. So here I will specify log line prefix. Percentage M means millisecond, percentage P means process ID, and percentage A means application name, percentage U means username. Okay. Timestamp without milliseconds. Timestamp with milliseconds. I need milliseconds. Okay. So here after that percentage U okay, process ID T. Okay. Yeah, this much information is enough. The next
Whenever
thing
we build any production server, all these parameters should be enabled.
exactly,
So to recover the point of
exactly. These things is very most essential things. And also here, oh, I forgot here. The main thing is here. This is the one. If you guys wants to identify the particular some modifications, right? Or a DDL, okay. If you guys want all the things, right, you can mention the log statement all. Okay, this is the very important thing. Okay, whether you guys needs to, you know, needs to, you know, the things will going to write into the log file, right? So whether DDL or modification, we need to specify both. We need both. At the time, it will going to write the particular timestamp in the log file. This is very important. Okay. Yeah. So now, yeah, all the things is done. This is enough. Log transaction sample. Yeah. So this is enough, guys. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, you know, I will start this database server. PITR prod 1 start. Server started. Okay. So what is the port number? 3661, correct? Show data underscore directory. So here guys, PITR prod one. Now what I'm going to do. So I'm going to create 3 tables now. I will create 3 tables. Now I'm going to create one more table. Yeah, I'm going to create one more table, PKP3. Yeah, see here, now there are 3 tables. If you are going to check the log, right, guys, each and every time stop, it will be there here. See here, now, PI Postgresql. See here, now, see here, guys, let's see here, timestamp. See here, the create table statement when it was created. See here, and also how much duration is taken, and also see here when it was created, 435, and also another table. So this is the seconds is difference. This is 14, this is 34. See here, each and every timestamp it will going to write into the log file. Okay, got it right? So now we can easily identify, okay, when it was exactly dropped. Okay, the table was dropped. Yeah, so now I'm going to take PG base backup. Okay, and before going to take the PG base backup, I will show you how much transaction files is there. See here, guys, up to 5F is there. 5F is the active transaction file. If you are going with PITR ARC1, right? Here you can check up to 5E, it will be there. See here, 5E. Okay, so now I'm going to take the PG base backup -P 6661 -D, sorry, -U Postgres -D slash app01. What is the PITR prod 1, correct? And caps P. Now, whenever I'm going to start the backup at the time, it will going to take 3 tables backup, correct, guys? Yes. So now I'm going to start. Oh, sorry. Here I did mistake. I need to specify BKP1. Sorry. Okay, see here, guys. I'm going to take the backup. See here, it is waiting for checkpoint. So now what I'm going to do, I will open another terminal. So I will log into Postgres PSQL P 6661. I will do manual checkpoint. Okay. Now you can check, see here, the backup started. See here, the percentage also it is showing. Okay. Okay, guys, see here. Now the backup is 100%. Okay. Yeah. So now, so what is the next thing? So here, I'm going to log in. Yeah, before going to log into the production server, see here, exactly the backup will, the last, the transaction backup, it will going to, up to, it will going to take the backup from this point. Okay. 0060. Okay, guys, 0060. Up to this point, the backup has been completed. So now we'll start new transactions. 661. Now what we are going to do, we'll create again. Oh, one moment, guys. Before going to, one moment. Yeah, sorry. Or rf app01 PATR PKP1. I will take once again the backup because whenever we are going to do the point in time recovery, right? PR PKP1. Okay. So here, again, I'm going to take the backup. I forgot to mention while taking the backup, right? We need to specify format T. Specify PTR PKP1. So here I will specify 661. Yeah. So now I'm going to take again the backup. Okay. Now I will check ARC, PITR, ARC1. Okay. So now it's 62. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I will connect it to production server. So now I'm going to create another tables now. After taken the backup, I'm going to create another tables now. Easy underscore description. See here. I'm creating after taken the backup. Again, we are going to create some transaction in production server. See here. This table has been created. We'll go for another table creation. See here. So now I'm go with one more table creation. Yeah. So now I'm going to drop the table PITR2. Okay. See here, guys. I'm going to drop the PITR2 table. Okay. See here. I'm dropping. Again, I will create one more table. Oh, okay. So there is a file storage issue now. What I'm going to do, I will drop some directories here. Yeah, it's okay now. So now, as of now, see here. So we have dropped the PITR2 table. As of now, see here, PITR1 and PITR3 is there. I'm going to create one more table called PITR4. Here it is done, guys. So now, so there are 6 tables is there, but somebody is dropped the PITR2 table. Okay, we need to recover the table, and once we recovered, we need to apply the changes into the production server. Okay, how to recover the table? So we'll go now. How to
Manoj,
recover?
is there
Yeah.
any command to check when the table has created from this level?
When means yeah, we can
The
go and
notepad, I
check
saw
the.
it. Yeah, in the notepad, can you go to the notepad and refer that?
Mhm.
Yeah, there is a stamp pan, right? Select start from current stamp time. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is it will going to show the current time. That's all.
Okay. It's not the
It
table
will.
created time.
Yeah, yeah. So when we are going to create the table at the time, if you are going to fire this command, it will going to show the current time. That's all. Particular current time.
Okay, clear.
Okay. So now we need to recover the PITR2 table. So first of all, when it was dropped and when it was created, first we need to identify that one. Go to PITR prod 1. Here go to log and here PostgreSQL. Okay, we need to identify here. So we need to check PITR2. Yeah, see here guys, it was dropped 4:43:21. Okay, it was created 4:42:39. Okay, so which timings we need to provide to recover this PITR2 table?
Drop time.
No,
No,
before drop time.
before drop time.
Yeah,
Before
4:40 to
drop.
55.
Exactly. So 4:42:39. Yeah, we can also give this one as well, but so we do not want this table. We need only this table. Okay. We need to recover only this table, right? So this timing we need to provide 4:42:39. Okay, 4:42:39. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay,
Okay.
first, yeah.
So I have a doubt here. Okay. So
Yeah, yeah,
see,
Srinivas, please.
you have just created and dropped in a few minutes. Okay.
Hmm.
So what about the data? We have a lot of insertion. The table has created a month back.
Hmm.
There are n number of GB of data in it and tables, schemas,
Hmm.
all this. Okay.
Hmm.
So if the table is dropped at that time, so
Hmm.
what timestamp we have to take? Is it the same created timestamp?
Exactly. We need to take the created timing only. We need to take
Okay.
created timing only.
Then data will
Okay.
not come, right?
Yeah, the data. What
Data
about
will
the data? So you just
data also
you
it will
create.
come. With the data it will come.
No, no. So after creating only the particular timestamp, if you are given, for example, 4:42 you have created the table, and
Mhm.
until 4:55 you are inserted some data into the particular table. In 4:56 you have deleted the table. So
Hmm.
if you are doing the restore until 4:42, only the table structure will come, may not
Yeah,
come the
yeah,
data.
yeah. That one. Yeah, yeah, exactly. For this
Yeah, my
scenario, we
question
need
is
to
same.
specify 452. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's what I'm still wondering. How come the previous date we have to take is not the previous date? Because for 42 you have created the table.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 month, after 1 month, the data will be huge. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the table has deleted today.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be a backup till yesterday. So you
Mm-hmm.
have to recover from the backup, right? Not from the created date of uh, uh, table. So because you just
Exactly.
create the create table will give the structure. That is what even Naveen is telling me. Okay, so
Exactly.
we have to
Exactly.
give the this timestamp, not the. create timestamp, because it will not the data will not capture in
Yeah,
between.
one more thing is, yeah, I got it. I got it, your scenario. The thing is, one more scenario is, okay, so if the checkpoint is not happened at that moment, okay, so we cannot give the particular timings as well. Okay, this is also one thing. So we need to do the checkpoint after we need to specify the when the last transaction happened on the particular table, we need to specify the particular timings. Otherwise, we cannot recover the point in time recovery. We cannot successfully recover the point in time recovery. You got it right, what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can recover only the structure of the table creation, not the data. We require the data, that is called a point on time recovery.
No, 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 no. Come again, Srinivas. I need to understand. Example, I'm going to open the paint, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just
So
created a table. Guys, correct me if I'm asking the right question or not.
yeah, it's okay, no problem. Yeah. So tell me, Srinivas. Yes. You
Okay,
created a
you
table.
created, yeah,
Okay.
on what time? You mentioned the date as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So time, you
So
mentioned the time.
I will specify like day is like 15. Okay.
Okay.
And also
Yeah.
timing I will specify 4 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Yeah.
So you have created the table.
Hmm.
They have a bunch of data. You can call some
Bulk data. Bulk data. Okay.
yeah, bulk data. Yeah.
Okay.
So millions of records, you can say.
Okay. Okay.
And day
Okay.
16,
So
you can give the day 16 for insertion.
yeah,
Okay.
next day is
Day
16. Yeah.
day 16. Okay. So like I'm going to specify
5 p.m.
5 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay. So next,
Hmm.
so the one day data is there. You deleted the data now.
Okay.
Whatever
Deleted.
table, drop
Ta-
table,
Yeah.
drop
table.
table
Day one.
D1.
Okay.
Okay. On what
Hmm.
day? So on
Day
17 you
17th.
day
can. Day 17
days.
you can take it.
I will take day 17. Okay. I will
17 you drop the
specify
table.
6 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now you tell me. So you
Hmm.
have dropped the table on 17th. So that
Hmm.
the date is created is 15th. We have a
Hmm.
bunch of data till 17th. So the
Hmm.
transaction happened till
Hmm.
5:59 or milliseconds or whatever it is. So
Hmm.
so the data is
Hmm.
still.
Hmm. Hmm.
So how you are going to recover here? So
Yes.
what is the scenario? Because
Scenario
my
is yeah.
assumption, my
Hmm.
assumption is, so you are
Hmm.
getting only create date timestamp, not
Hmm.
or not the drop. You are getting two timestamps. One is create date timestamp, and you are dropping date timestamp, which we
Hmm.
have to take to
Exactly. This is
make
a
the
good
point
question.
out recovery.
Yeah. Exactly. One moment. One moment. Yeah, got it. So in this scenario, okay, what we need to do, so we need to restore from up to this point in time. Restore, okay, up to 559. 559, some milliseconds we need to provide, like 999, like that. So not 999. So like 60, like that. We need to specify restore command and at this point of time 559 point milliseconds we need to provide. Okay, so not create time or bulk data time, not that one. So we need to provide this timings because we
Yeah,
need data
that is
as well,
correct.
not a structure. Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's what
yeah.
my question is, because you are telling the
Hmm.
create date timestamp is required to recover the point of no, doesn't make sense to me. That's what I call
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, at that time maybe I did not concentrate, but so we need to restore for this point of time, 559, Srinivas.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
So
Yeah, at that
real
time,
time
yeah.
scenario, just go ahead and.
exactly. So at the time, it will going to recover the table structure, and up to the point in time, when the data is last committed, it will going to take that one as well. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it
yeah,
shows in the real time scenario there.
yeah. See here now. Okay, I'm going to point this timings. I'm going to mark this timings first. 4:42, 39. Okay, I will mark here where I'm going to mark. Yeah, I will specify here only. Yes. Okay, so now I will go to back app01 PITR BKP1. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I taken the backup, in the tar format. Now untar xpf base dot tar. So, and I will untar pg underscore wall as pg underscore wall. Tar. Okay, so now see here. Oh, this file is outside. I will move this file to pg underscore wall. One moment before going to move, I need to check pg wall. How many files is there here? Okay, correct. Now I will move 00 pg underscore wall. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, in this backup where we taken the backup, right? Here I will go to postgresql.conf file. Okay. But in this backup, as of now, only 3 tables is there. Correct? So now what we need to do, anyway, the production server will going to run. I will change the port number, and also one thing we need to specify. What is that, What is that, guys? Restore command. See here we need to specify restore command. Yeah, see here. So this thing we need to specify. Here I will change the path. The path is PITRARC1. Correct? And one more thing is, whenever we are going to do the point in time recovery, right? At the time, we need to provide the recovery target time. Where exactly we are recovering? At what point of time we are going to recovering? We need to specify the timings, guys. This is very important. Recovery target time. Okay. Recovery target time we need to specify. Okay. See here now. I will specify the recovery target time. So here it is there. 23, 330, 442, 39. Okay. I'm going to specify this timings. 23, 330, 442, 39. Okay. So we need to provide, guys, we need to provide the recovery target time and restore command. At that time, it will going to restore the things from this point of time. Okay, this is very important. And also, sometimes it will going to fail. It will not going to recovery successfully. Okay, so we need to, whenever we are going to do the point in time recovery, right? We need to do very carefully. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will save and quit. Now the thing is, we need to change the permission chmod 0700/app01 PITR ERC1. Okay, so now once this done, right? Now what we need to do, yeah, what we need to do
So
now?
why permissions needs to be changed?
Yeah, see here, whenever we are going to start the backup, right? At that time, we need to provide the permission. The backup does not have the proper permission. That's why. Whenever we are going to start any database server, this permission needs 0700.
Since only the SA is doing all these things, he should have all the permissions, right? The SA is doing all this activity. I think you should have all the permissions to perform restoration, backups, and
Yeah,
all.
yeah,
So
exactly,
that's for
exactly.
my question.
Exactly, Srinivas. The essay have these permissions and all. But in our scenario, we have taken the backup, but after taken the backup, we have not provided the proper permission for the backup directory. Okay. Normally, the essay have all the permissions. So, no need to provide these permissions and all. So now, what I'm going to do, after I change the permission, okay. So what is the next thing, guys? Whenever we are going to recover the things from archive, there is very one important step is there. What is that? In last class we did. What is that?
Recovery link.
Yes, exactly. See here, we need to touch recovery.signal. What is the meaning for this? Why we are going to touch this one? Guys, what is the meaning for this? Why we are going to touch the recovery.signal file? Guys, what is the meaning for this? Why we are touching the recovery.signal file during the archive log restore time? See here, whenever we are going to do any restoration from archive, right? At the time, so we need to start the database server in recovery mode. When we are going to touch this recovery.signal, right? At the time, the database server will going to start in recovery mode. Okay, the database server will going to start in recovery mode. Okay, so whenever we are going to do the continuous restore archive, at that time also we need to specify. And also, whenever we are going to do the point in time recovery, we need to specify the recovery.signal file. This is very important, guys. Okay, so now I will open the log /app01 bkp p8, sorry, p8er bkp1 here log. I will open log here -p. Okay, so here oh sorry, I changed the permission to ERC1. I need to change the permission to PKP. The full permission to ERC1. Otherwise, maybe it will go to fail. Yeah. So now see here, what I'm going to do, I will start. Yeah, PKP1. Yeah, everything is right. So now I will start -d slash app01 bkp, sorry, pitr bkp start. Okay. So now it will going to start in recovery mode. Okay, guys, let's start and go for log. See here, guys, it is restoring. See here, it is restoring. Up to it will going to restore the particular point of time. Yeah, see here, guys, recovery stopping before commit of transaction 740. This is the timing. See here, 442. Correct, guys? Correct, right, guys? This is the one. And also
Correct.
pausing at the end of the recovery. Okay. So now let's go and check whether the recovery is successfully happened or not. So slash dt. Oh, see here, the recovery is not happened properly. So what is the error? So let's go for error. What is the error? Recovery stopping before commit of transaction 740. The time. Hmm, transactions. It is going to restore up to. Okay. What I'm going to do, pausing at end of recovery. Okay.
After creating this table, checkpoint may run or not.
Yeah, checkpoint happened. Oh. Probably, yeah. So maybe the checkpoint thing only. So after we created all those three tables, we have not yet done the checkpoint.
Yes.
So, okay, one thing we'll do, wait. See here, PITR 1 is recovered, but PITR 2 is not recovered. One moment. What I'm going to do, I will stop this one. Okay, I'm going to stop this one. So let's go for config file. Postgres conf here, the 442.39. Wait, we'll go for that log as well. cd slash app01. Yeah, before going to do the particular thing, what I'm going to do, is do the checkpoint. So now I will go to app01 pitr dot one. Is the one, right? Log. Where is the pitr2? 442.39. Why? I will do one thing. I will provide 442. This timings I'm going to provide. Let me check that one. Okay. 442.54 I'm going to provide. Okay.
Why can't you give that table drop table timestamp?
Yeah, that is also possible. But up to this PITR 3 table, like this timings I'm going to provide. That is also possible. We can. So at that time, it will going to take the point in time up to PITR 3 only. I will specify this timings. Let me check whether it will going to happen or not. See here, recovery.signal file is remove recovery dot signal. Yeah, this is the one, right? So yeah, I will open hash app01 PITR BKP1 tail -f. Okay, so now I will start here. Let me start. Okay, so let's start now. Come on. $443. Okay, so one moment. Now we'll see whether that is recovered or not. SQL-P 6662, correct? Last DT. See here, now it is recovered. PI, PI2 table is recovered. Now, guys, here we have recovered successfully PITR2 table.
Yeah, got it, Manoj.
Yeah. Anybody have any doubts here?
Yeah, I'm good.
If you give after 2 minutes, PITR will gone and PITR3 will come because
Exactly. We need to specify at least 20 seconds, 10 seconds, like a 1 minute time. So we need to, increase the timings. That is the better thing because we don't know, right? So what exactly the background timings and all. Okay. So at least we need to provide the more timings. It's better to recover the things. What about others, guys? Like somehow, some, little bit difficulty is there. Okay. So please practice this scenario. Okay. This is very, very important, guys. Okay. This is very, very important. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'm going to clarify.
Manoj, what about the table of PITR3?
Yeah, if you want PITR3, you can provide like 450, 56 like that. At that time, it will going to recover. That is also possible. Okay.
Yeah, but we
So,
have dropped only one, no? We have dropped only PT2, right?
yeah.
PITR2 table. So
Exactly.
whatever, yeah, that's a valid question. So where is that PITR3?
If you want PITR3, you need to provide up
No, but
to, yeah,
simple Manoj.
yeah.
So we have recover. We want to recover only TR2 only. So
Mhm,
the table we did not recover. We did not remove that. We did not drop PITR3. It should be existing
mhm,
here only. So
mhm.
what happened to that PITR3?
Yeah. That's why, Srinivas, here we need to provide that PITR3 when it was created. We need to provide at least, after 20 seconds timings, we need to provide. Okay, example, see
But
here, I
we
will
did
tell.
not drop it. No, we did not drop it earlier.
Exactly,
Srini,
but it will going to recover up to that point in time. Okay,
point
it
in
will
time,
not
he
going
is
to
not
recover.
provided.
Yeah,
He is
yeah.
not provided that particular timestamp. He provided until this PTR2 only. If he provided whatever the timestamp created PTR3, right, it will recover until that time.
But where is the point? We did not drop the table yet. We dropped only
Yeah.
table 2.
You
So
see,
what happened?
if he provide, you can show me the logs, Manoj, in that
Yeah.
clearly showing the timestamps.
Yeah. I will show you. Yeah, see here. This is the one, not this is the one. One moment. cd/app01 PITR prod 1. Log VI. Yeah, here, see here. So we have given the point of time where exactly it was created. That point of time only it will going to recover. It will not going to recover other timings. Okay, it will not going to recover other timings means PITR3 when it was created and it will not going to search particular transactions. It will going to search only this point of transactions. Got it, Srinivas? It will going to search whenever we are going to specify the recovery target time, right? It will going to find out only this transaction. It will not going to concentrate other transactions. Okay, it will going to search this particular transaction only.
So
Up
what
to
happened
this,
to the what happened to the three table?
see here, that is the one, Srinivas. See here, third table, we are not specify the third table timings, right? If you are going to specify the third table timings, that one also it will going to recover. We are not specifying the third table recovery. We are specifying only the PI2 PITR2 table timings. Up to these timings, it will going to recover the particular table. Still, still,
That's
do you,
strange. What happened to
No, Srini, just see, he recovered until
recovered?
4:42:39. He is not recovered until 4:42:55. There is a gap, whatever you are saying, right? There is a gap between the timestamps. So he recovered before P3 creation. He recovered until before P3 creation only. If you want, he can mention 4:42:55 like that timestamp. It will P3 also come. Am I correct?
yes,
Manoj?
yes, you are correct, Naveen. Yeah, correct.
He mentioned before the time only. That's why it recovered until the time only. If you want, you can mention after the P3 also. If you mention after, even if you mention like 4:43 30 seconds, right? Even P2 also not come because he dropped at the time. It only P3 will show.
Yeah, exactly. Naveen, sorry, Srinivas, do you have still you have a doubt? So we'll go for a pictorial representation. Don't worry. See here, the thing is what we did, I will take a new thing
Hey,
here.
Naveen and Manoj, in
Uh,
production environment, this will not work, man. Because
no, no,
110%
no.
work.
I,
yeah,
110% it will work. I am giving the
because
assurance. I am giving the assurance. It's 110%. He is not recovering the only particular table. He is recovering the database, entire database, but particular timestamp. If you want to recover the only particular table, that is different concept.
see here, yeah. See here, I will clarify the Srinivas doubt now. See here, we will recover Naveen the third table as well. See here, now what I'm going to do, I will provide that drop table timings now. 4:43
No.
30.
Don't mention the DAB table. He will confuse. He can give 440 to 55 only. He can give 440 to 55 only.
4:42. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, 4:40 to 55 I will provide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the checkpoints occurring. Okay, I will give this timings. So see here now, Srinivas, maybe you will get the exact scenario. PWD CD slash. Okay. Before going to changes the thing, what I'm
Stop.
going to do, stop. PATR BKP stop. Okay, now see here. PATR BKP PI PostgreSQL con. See here now, here we specified 4:42:54. I will specify now the checkpoint timings. 4:42:55. Okay, see here, 4:42:55. So now we'll recover that one as well. See here, Srinivas now. Okay.
yeah,
So before recover, we need to touch recovery dot signal file. Okay, so I will open the log as well. So tail-f/app01 PITR BKP1 log Postgres. This is the one. So now I will start. This PITR BKP1. Okay, so let me start. Here, guys, here it is recovery up to that point. PITR3 up to the PITR3. See here now. So recovery stopping before commit of this thing. Oh, 443. Let me check now. SQL-P 3662, correct? Last 80. Oh, so that's why we need to provide the timings is,
Don't consider milliseconds. You can go
yeah,
for
yeah.
that
It
one.
will going to take the milliseconds as well. So what I'm going to do, again, stop. So now we'll go here only. So VA/app01 PITR prod 1 log. Oh, sorry. Here I will check PITR. Okay, here we need to take exact timings here. Mhm.
10:43:03.
Yeah, this one I will take exactly. So this one we need to take exactly 4:43:03. Okay. So now I will again go to yeah. Four 43:03. So timings is very important here. Here I will fetch recovery dot signal. Okay, I will start PITR BKP1. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's see now. Why it is recovering stopping before commit only. Now also it is not recovered that one.
Any checkpoint to be sure now?
No. What I'm going to do? One moment. 6.1 checkpoint. Okay, so now I will stop. Create here now touch recovery dot signal. Here I need to specify one moment. Sorry. VA/app01 PITR prod 1 log PostgreSQL. We need to identify properly. Actually, 443. duration. Okay. One moment, guys. I need to specify where exactly the checkpoint has happened, right? You need to specify the timings only. Let me identify checkpoint. Okay. At 4:42 it happened. After that, 4:38, 4:35, 4:57. Okay. So we need to provide 4:42:55 only, right? PITR3. This one only we provided, right, Naveen? 4:42:55.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do, let me queue this one only. Let's see whether this will going. If this will going to work, maybe Srinivas will going to confuse.
No, it will. He will not confuse. He can handle more things like this. That is.
Hey, Naveen, I'm going to call you after this call. Okay, need to confirm, clarify a few things. What you understand, you have to make me understand because I still have some doubts on my mind. What happened to the table P3?
Sure, Srini. Anytime.
Because we did not drop the
Stop.
table, so we have dropped only two. That question is, we have dropped. We have to recover only the table,
I
not the
got your
P3.
no. I got your
P3,
concern, Srini.
P3 should be existing there.
It
We
will
have to
come,
recover
Srini.
only.
It will come, Srini.
No, they did not come today. So that's what I got out.
Maybe the recovery logs problem. I don't know, but damn sure it will come.
Yeah, that is 100% Srinivas. And like yeah. Now we take takes no now also I don't know why it is not taking. At the time, see here, when we dropped, right? Otherwise, when we create that PITR3 table, right? At the time, so I forgot to do the checkpoint. So that is the problem here. 6 2. Let me check now. Yeah, see here now. Srinivas PITR3 table recovered.
Now you can call me.
No,
Yeah.
still I didn't make sense because we dropped only two. Why we did not earlier did not recover the three? Because with the three is still existing there. We have dropped only two. So we want to recover up to point requirements. All should be there. All tables with the point of
No,
recovery.
no, no, point in time recovery is
No, no, no.
different.
I will
You are
call you this
you
because
are asking end of the logs. End of the logs means until the time it will recover, whatever the done happened. But he is doing the point in time. But if you want, see, for suppose database is crashed around now 5 p.m. So if you want to recover until 2 p.m. only, 2 to 4 p.m. logs we will not provide, right?
I'm going to call you, okay? Because time has got extended. I have to
Maybe
jump
in
in multiple
Sybase,
meetings.
yeah, in Sybase, we are going this type of recovery. We are going to call it as what is that? Until and unless time. What is something is there, right? Whenever we are going to do the point in time, until time, we need to specify, right?
Yeah, until time with all
Yeah,
logs, current logs. Yeah.
up
So
to
full
that
database
logs
dump.
only. Yeah, yeah. I will, I
Full
will clarify
database
now.
dump we load and
Hmm.
followed by the transaction logs,
Hmm.
and even though dump database with truncate only, we can recover some data from the backup, and we can restore that. That is called a point of time recovery until point of time.
Yeah, yeah. That's why. See here, until whenever you specify the timings, up to that point only, it will going to recover. Correct in Sybase.
Yeah.
Srini? Yeah, yeah. Same here also, Srinivas. Okay, whenever we are going to specify the particular timings means at that point of time only it will going to recover. It will not going to recover after that point in time. Only it will going to recover up to that point in time. Until that time. Yeah, so maybe, like, it's okay. So after this session also, you can call me or call to Naveen
No,
as
no, no.
well.
I will
Yeah.
call Naveen because he
Yeah.
understood more than anyone, I think. Okay. So he's telling
Yeah.
110%. I will call him only.
Definitely, I am also sure about this one. Okay. Yeah. Definitely, it will going to work like this only, Naveen, as Srinivas.
Okay, sir. Then I think we are good.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
I will send the recorded session as soon as possible. Yeah. I will stop recording.
Don't mind Manoj.